Hi everybody, welcome to my art room. I'm going to do a 10 by 10 bloom today. It's pretty big for me. If you've noticed, I've done a few blooms with gold. So I'm trying to do gold with one color, variations of one color. So I think I've done blue, turquoise, red coming up. And I'm going to do greens. So yeah, they look really good with certain colors with gold. So only gold and one color of variation of a color. So greens, red, blue. Today's green. So stick around and I'll show you how I do it. Hi everyone. All right, so we're back. I've got my white eggshell house paint on this for this 10 by 10 canvas. As you can see, it's a little on the thin side, how it's pouring. It's not making a mound and it's disappearing quite quickly. So that's Gliddem Premium Eggshell. It's pretty thin paint, so your colors should be the same or thinner. All right, so this color I have just mixed up is called Peridot Green, Peridot. Can't pronounce it, as probably French. Metallic Paint Extreme Sheen by DecoArt. It's one of my favorite greens to use. That's pretty thin down now. I'll check my gold. This is Extreme Sheen 24 karat. I use this quite a bit. I really like it. I think I'll put this on the top. See, it disappears quickly. And I've got some golden phthalo green. These little bottles. This one says blue shade, phthalo green blue shade. And then I have metallic green. It's a DecoArt. Metallic leaf green by Artist Loft. I'm going to put this one on the bottom because it's opaque. Okay. Gold on top. I'll use this lighter gold now. Or sorry, this lighter green. Now I'll put the phthalo green. I'm hoping this isn't too dark. We'll see. And now the gold. I'm going to add some more water to my gold. Metallics thicken up if they sit too long sometimes. Excuse me. All right, let's try this now. I'm going to use Black Cell Activator. Give it a good shake. It's lamp black and Australian Floetrol. Debating which blower to use. I think I'll use this one. And cool. Whoa. That's a strong blowings because it pulled up some of the white there. This is really pretty right here. I'll let it come back to the middle. I like the color combination. I love that phthalo green's really nice. Okay, I think it's almost ready to spin. I'm gonna get my THUR wherever it went. I just had one. It's all moving now, so that's good. I'm gonna do my I think I should have gone in a little farther because it might just come right off. All right. Let's spin this now. Let's make sure I'm centered here. Ow. One spin. And I go the other direction now. I don't want to lose all my gold. But there's still lots of gold. That's pretty awesome. There, all my corners are done. Do I need to spin it anymore? One more. All right. Well, I think that's good enough. Well, at least there's some white on this side to balance it out a little bit. I like it. There, what do you think? Oh, I like it. Thanks for watching, and yeah. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for subscribing to my channel. Have a great day, and come back to Carol's Art Room. I'll put the dried one at the end. Hi, everybody. Here's my green 10 by 10 canvas. It's got a nice shine to it. It's drying pretty good. Middle's a little bit wet. I think the middle moved a little bit, but not too bad. I still like it. There you go. Thanks for watching and have a great day.